Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is June monthly reading. Your person current feelings, especially the person on your mind. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries fire sign. So this side your person current feelings and this side yours and middle mutual. Then we will see intentions, then outcome. So let's see their current feelings. Reverse. See mutual. Temperance, mutual energy. So let's clarify the world. Three of Wands. And let's clarify temperance. Two of Pentacles. So under the deck, Nine of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. Aries, your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment card, Nine of Cups, and someone is coming towards you, and this person is very, very slow moving energy, and for some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation, but your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment, Nine of Cups under the deck. So let's see your person current feelings. The World with King of Cups, and Three of Wands with Devil, and the Lovers with Ace of Wands. You both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Yeah, your person loves you, they do love you, and they're obsessed with you, heavily obsessed with you, and they are waiting. Maybe they are waiting mode. They're waiting some positive growth in this relationship because Three of Wands. There is love. Definitely they do love you. There is no doubt. And they are very, very passionate about you. If you are in separation with this person, Ace of Wands, they want passionate new beginnings with you. Aries. And the Lovers. But here for some, maybe this person is toxic for you. Very dominative, very toxic energy, dark energy because the Devil. Maybe they are addicted to you. For some, you both are addicted with each other. So let's see our feelings. The Sun with Emperor, High Priestess with Ace of Swords, and Three of Cups, clarifying Five of Swords. So for some, children's also involved in this connection. I think you also listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. You are taking your control back. You are working on yourself. You are taking care of yourself, Aries. And there is some communication clarity is coming. You are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. And there are some issues between you and your person. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. Five of Swords. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. There is some deception energy for some third party. Here third party means friends, family, or other man, other woman. It could be anything, not only other man and other woman. But yeah, for some third party, there are some issues. Still there are some issues between you and your person, Aries. Then mutual temperance with Two of Pentacles. There is no balance in this connection. So patience is the key. And you both have to restore the balance within yourself. Especially you both have to work on yourself. And in this connection right now, there is no stability and there is no balance. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini, Sagittarius or Capricorn. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. The person involved in this connection could be. So let's see your person intentions. Aries. Let's see your person intentions. But they are obsessed with you. lot of obsession, but patience is the key, guys. The World, Queen of Swords, Emperor, and Nine of Pentacles with Hierophant. I think you both have some ego problems. Emperor, you also got Emperor card and your person also. I think there is some war is going, waiting period. They will make first move, the type of situation I'm getting here. Queen of Swords, right now your person is not willing to, they are not willing to talk, but they're very attracted to you, they're obsessed with you. Maybe you both are not talking, you both are no contact situation, but they're obsessed with you heavily. Maybe they're waiting for your communication, and for some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. So intention wise, to be honest, maybe they are waiting mode, because 3 of Wands. And you are also working on yourself, and you are listening to your intuition. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. There is love, there is obsession, but there is ego also. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Yeah, I think maybe you both having hard time to express your feelings to each other, because 4 of Pentacles, the Moon with 6 of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, and right now guarded up. You both are guarded up, you both have ego problems. At the same time, you both are missing each other. I think you both are not opening up. Maybe you both have ego problems. About I'm getting the same message, because they are also waiting on you and you are also waiting on them. Holding back here, 4 of Pentacles and 9 of Wands, guarded up. So I think you both are waiting on each other, but they are very obsessed with you. So let's see the suggestion. One person treating other person as an option in this connection. Yeah, 9 of Wands, 8 of Wands. You don't seeing this is coming for you. There is some communication. There is a chance for some, there will be some communication will happen between you and your person very soon. But it will take time. To be honest with you, it will take time, because right now you both are waiting on each other but not making any move. But in future, maybe one person will down the guard and make a move. So suggestion here, work on yourself, give priority yourself, do self-love. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. All I want is you. Lot of abundance is coming. Third party involved. I want you back, and decision time, I want to express my love. So the messages are, all I want is you. Lot of abundance is coming. Third party involved. I want you back. Decision time, and I want to express my love. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini energy, and a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. So for some, definitely there will be reconciliation. Then there is a new romantic cycle begins, and communication is key here. This is the message. When you will get communication from your person and talk with them loud. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.